What is it?
Ball.
Ball. Now read one more time. One more time. I want you to read one more time. It.
It.
Uh,
I.
mm,
F.
is.
A.
Nightek fast. Nightek. Come on, Nightek. Is.
A.
A.
B.
Mm,
A.
mm,
L.
mm.
Ball.
Ball. Very good, Nightek. Next sentence. Tilakar, mute yourself. Tilakar, good morning, ma.
I. T.
Mm, mm,
I. S. E.
mm,
A.
mm, mm,
C.
mm.
A. R. Car.
Very good, Nightek. Well done. High five. Hi. Wow, good. Okay, next it's going to be who else? Sorry. Is there Hashini? Is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hashini. Come on, read it out, Hashini. Read
I.
out. Mm. Mm.
I. T. Is.
Oh, IT. What is IT?
What is IT?
It.
It.
Is.
Is
As.
a.
C.
There, it's only a. It's not as. A.
Car.
Car. Very good. CAR. Car. Okay. Now next.
Vishank will say now.
Sorry.
Vishank will.
Vishank.
Good morning.
Have a good day, Kavyani. Good morning, Kavyani. 1 minute, I'll finish with Hashni. I'll call you, Pranita. I'll call you, Vishank. Both of you, I'll finish and only I'll start the session, okay? Come on, Hashni, finish it fast. Eat. IT.
I.
Read it.
I.
IT.
It.
IT. Eat.
Is.
Is.
Yeah. T.
Mm.
U.
Mm.
T. Up.
Very good, Ashni. One more. Come on, finish.
Ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, Kartikeyan.
Yan.
Good morning, Dikshan. Good morning, Dikshan. I saw you, Dikshan. Good morning. Come on, read it. Read out, Ashni. Don't look here and there. Come on. Eat.
It.
Mm. IS.
It's.
AN.
In.
AN is in, na?
AN என்னது?
Ennama, AN means what, ma? AN? What is it?
In.
An. ANT?
ANT. Ant.
Very good, Hashni, and thank you. Next is Vishank. Vishank.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is it? Satvika joined. Good morning, Satvika. Come on, Vishank. I called you only, Vishank. Why are you closing your head and all? What happened? That too, you're not even able to shake your head. Yes? Come on, say.
It's my.
IT.
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 IS.
IS. Is.
Next.
A.
N.
N.
And.
And.
N. A.
N.
T.
T.
It is an ant.
Is. And.
It is.
And now the full sentence is it is an ant. Well done. Oh my God, my Vishank has read a sentence. Very good. Okay, next. Come on, Vishank.
It. IT.
It.
I.
Yeah, you need not spell. If you know the word, you can say it straight. It. It.
Is.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
C.
Mm.
U,
U,
Hmm.
B,
P,
B. Ah.
P,
Is it B?
P.
P.
P. What is CUP?
It is a
Cup.
It is a cup. Okay. Next, Vishank. This you like it very much, Vishank.
it.
Oh. Come on.
Is
Ah.
A,
Hmm.
L,
Huh?
What is this? See here.
What is it? Read out the word.
C A R. What is it?
A, R,
What is it? What is it?
A,
CAR.
What is it?
C, A, R,
R.
Hmm.
car.
Car. Very good, Vishank. High five, Vishank.
High five.
Yeah, that's it. Well done. Okay, next someone called me. Okay, we'll start the session and then in the middle of our worksheet, I'll ask you children, okay? We are going to start our session. Ma'am is going to come back. Pranita, children, first listen, children. Once you finish the worksheet, no, that time we'll have free time, right? While others are writing. At that time, once again, I'll show you this and you can read out the sentence. Okay, Pranita, understood? Okay, ma? Okay, now I'm going to come back. Okay, Kana, thank you so much. Okay, children, who is going to say Kidzi Anthem today? Children, who is going to say Kidzi Anthem today? Come on, children, who is going to say? Dikshan, will you say? Dikshan, will you say, ma? Unmute and tell me, Dikshan. I can't hear you. Yes? Dikshan, you don't know? I don't know. I'm not able to hear you, Dikshan. Okay, Karthikeyan, carry on. Dikshan, some problem is there in your audio, Dikshan. See to it, Dikshan. Come on. Kidzi Anthem. All of you join your hands and close your eyes, children. Tilakar. Today.
All my mind,
Very good, Karthikeyan. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you very much, Karthikeyan. Dikshan, you are able to hear me, Dikshan? Are you able to hear me? Yes, you are able to hear me. Then why I am not able to hear Dikshan? Speak, Dikshan, speak.
Dikshan, speak. Hi, ma'am. Morning.
Hey ma'am, good morning.
Very good morning, Dikshan. But first, I was not able to hear you. Sorry, Dikshan. Tomorrow, you will be saying Kidzi Anthem, okay? Yes? Paka. Tomorrow, Dikshan is going to say. Thank you, Dikshan. Now, ready for attendance activity, children? Children, today, ma'am is not going to play the song. Instead, in the attendance activity, yesterday we learnt about reptiles. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yesterday we learnt about reptiles, right? Crocodile, snake, tortoise. We learnt. Yes or no, children? Come on, answer. Yes, right. Today, whenever I am calling out your name, you have to act like any of the reptile. Okay, you think that if you are a crocodile, how crocodiles will move? Like that, you have to move. Okay, how a snake will move? Like that, you have to move. How a lizard will move? Like that, you have to move and tell me your name. Any one reptile. Understood? Any one reptile. You have to do the action of that reptile and then you have to tell me your attendance. Okay? Understood? All of you understood? Come on, unmute and tell me yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, huh? Okay, shall we start? Shall we start? Okay, first is Rashika is absent today. Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
Yes, say yes, ma'am, first. Do like an reptile, snake. Right?
What is it? Tell me the name.
Name.
Snake. Okay. Okay. Do.
Now say your attendance.
Say your attendance. Good.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in Junior KG.
Well done, Dev Krish. Devarakshita. Devarakshita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Where is the action of a reptile? Any reptile, crocodile, snake, lizard, tortoise. Anything from the four. What?
Sure.
Snake, ah?
Snake. Your
Tell
favorite,
me the
right?
name. Snake, ah? Oh my god. Okay, now tell me the attendance. Good. Well done, Kana. Come on. Tell me your attendance. Mm.
I'm junior KG.
Well done, Devarakshita. Great improvement, Devarakshita. Very good girl. Thank you so much. Next is Danvin.
Satyama.
All of you should not do like snake. How crocodile will move? If you are sitting on the ground, you can do like crocodile. You know, you have seen crocodiles, how it will move. It will lie down on the floor and it will move, right? Like that also you can do, children. Okay.
படித்து காமிங்க. I'm a crocodile. இப்படி படு.
Crocodile will sleep, lie down like this, ah?
சொல்ல I'm a crocodile.
I'm a crocodile.
படுக்கிற மாதிரி.
What? Sleeping crocodile, ah? Okay, say. My name is Danvin.
My name is Anita.
Will you look at me and say, look at me. Ada? Look at me. Very Danvin. So, see, today or the other day you are going to get neck pain. All because of your mama only. I told her many times, sit in front of the phone or laptop, whatever it is. But she is not at all sitting. Dikshan. Come on, Dikshan.
I'm a snake.
You're a snake. Oh my god. Well done, Dikshan.
I'm in 4 years old.
Very good, Dikshan. Thank you, Dikshan. Varnas is absent today. Hashini. What are you?
Tortoise.
Tortoise, ah? Okay, ah.
My name is.
My name is Asian Time Garegi.
Very good. But you said you're a tortoise, but you're saying your attendance very fast, huh? Okay, next is Janavi.
I'm a snake.
Do the action of a snake then. Oh my god, I'm frightened, Janavi. Okay, now tell me your attendance, ma. My name is Janavi. Very good, Janavi. Very good. Karthikeyan. Yeah, good. Karthikeyan.
I'm Tata. Master Karthikeyan.
This Apram, you will never leave this Apram. Okay, very good, Karthikeyan. Next is Kavyani. What are you? Crocodile. Very good. Now tell me your attendance.
Ma'am, my name is Kalyani. I'm studying in junior LKG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Thank you. Naitek. Come on, Naitek.
I'm 4 years old.
What are you? I didn't see what the action you did. What action you did? Name it. Come on. You have to name it, right? What? See. Who is next to you? They themselves are in doubt what you are doing. What you are doing? Any crocodile will stand like this. Any snake will stand like this. What animal is that? Come on. Tortoise. Very good. Okay. Then Nikshita. Nikshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, ma. Nikshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. What is this?
Okay.
Crocodile. Oh my god. Crocodile. Okay, now tell me the attendance. Good. Very good.
I'm Charan Chunakichi.
Well done, Kana. Next is Pranita.
Ma'am. Cat.
What? Cat? No. Cat is a reptile. Only reptiles you have to say.
Snake.
Okay, snake. Now tell me the attendance.
I am.
My name is Pranita.
சொல்லு.
My name is Pranita. I am 4 years. I am studying junior KG.
Well
I
done,
am
Pranita.
sitting-
Thank you. Ritvik. Ritvik.
யாரு கேட்காது அதனால உனக்கு கேட்டு
Ritvik. Joined, Ritvik. Very good. Now,
Ma'am, I am
Any-
Ritvik.
okay, any reptile. Wait, Ritvik. Which reptile are you? What is the name?
The name is the snake.
Snake. Okay, finish.
I'm Ritvik and I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. Rohita.
Hi.
Very good, Ritvik. What is it?
Marchabo crocodile.
I'm crocodile.
Crocodile. Very sweet crocodile. Come on.
Crocodile.
Swimming,
No, crocodile na wago. Oh.
Very good. Good, Rohita. Come on, now tell me your attendance.
My name is Rohita.
My name is Soita Father from junior KG.
Well done. Thank you. Nitila.
I am a tortoise.
You are a tortoise. Okay. Now say the attendance.
I am studying in junior KG.
Well done, Nitila. Thank you so much. Satvika. Crocodile. What is the crocodile doing with the pillow? Hey, you were sleeping and now you are adjusting like crocodile, Naughty girl. Okay, now tell me your attendance. Come on. Tell me your attendance. Okay, good. Come on. Tell me your attendance. My name is.
Satvika Sri and I'm studying in junior KG.
Well done.
Old.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth.
Ma'am, crocodile.
Crocodile. Just you are sitting like that and you are saying crocodile. How will I believe that you are a crocodile? What is the action of crocodile? How crocodiles will move? Okay, tell me your attendance. Okay, come on.
My name is Siddharth.
Okay, you woke up now only? Is it right? Very late. You woke up very late today. See your hair and all, I can find it out. Okay, next is Tanika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
What reptile?
I'm a lizard.
Oh, you're going to climb the wall. Well done. Very good, Tarnika. Very different. Very good. Next is Tilakar. Your face is not visible, Tilakar. What is it? Snake. Okay, come. Tell me that name.
My name is Tilaka. I am studying junior KG.
Oh my God, 4 years old. For that, I'm showing you 4 fingers. Okay, thank you so much, Tilakar. Tilakar, are you ready with your talk time?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, next you are going to talk. Okay, once I finish this, you can continue. Vivan. Do like a reptile. What reptile you are going to do? What reptile you are going to do? Crocodile, snake, tortoise or lizard? How lizard will climb on the wall? What?
To do dinosaur.
Dinosaur is not a reptile. Dinosaur is reptile. It's an extinct animal. It is not a reptile. Okay, tell me your attendance. Very much confused today.
Do a snake.
Snake, snake,
Okay,
how?
do it.
Snake at least. No, va? Okay, tell me your attendance. My name is Vivan.
Say, Ma. Vivan.
Vivan. It's not fair, Vivan.
Come, say correctly.
See, all your friends are answering. They are doing the actions. Only you. Come on. Good boy, no? See, everyone is looking at you.
Say, I'm Vivan.
Everyone are looking at you. See, my name is Vivan.
Solluda.
Okay, I'm also going to wait like this. Okay, we'll wait. The whole session will get over. We'll wait like this. Okay? Shall we wait together?
Everybody is waiting for you. Sollu, Ma. I am Vivan. Open your mouth and say.
No way, Vivan. Really. Vidyut. Vidyut. Hey, what is that? You did a snake, huh? You have a snake. Oh my God. Show it to everyone. Show to all of your friends. Children, everyone see Vidyut. He's having a snake. Show the face of the snake. Face. Wow. See? Snake. Are you not afraid? Are you not afraid? No, huh? No. Okay, tell me your attendance. Come on. Very good, Vidyut. Tell me your attendance. My name is?
I am David studying in junior KG.
Very good. Well done. Zeddy? Zeddy? Zeddy?
Wait. बोलो lizard.
Lizard.
Lizard. Do like a lizard. Oh, climbing a wall. Be careful. Okay, now come on. Say the attendance. Come on.
बोलो. My name is.
My name is Jenny. I am 12 years old. I am studying junior KG.
Well done, Zeddy. Lakshana? Lakshana? Lakshana is there? Okay, she's not there. Okay, children, are you all ready for the talk time? Who's talk? Vishank, I forgot. Wait 1 minute. I marked present for him. Sorry. Now tell me, Vishank. What is that? What is it? Hey, show slowly, ma. I don't see you. See. Hey, wow, with the leaf, huh? Who did it? Who did it, Vishank? Vishank. Mom, huh? Did you say thank you to your mom?
Thank you, Mom.
Okay. Now tell me your attendance. Come on.
My
Good.
name is Usha. I am in junior KG.
Well done, Vishank. Thank you, Vishank's mom. Okay, next. Children, who is ready for talk time? Tarnika, Tilakar. Tarnika, Tilakar. And one more. Vishank, huh? Let me see. Yeah, Vishank. Okay, who is going to start? Tarnika. Come on, start, Tarnika. Tarnika, what are you going to talk about?
First one.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanika. I am going to talk about frog. Frog is an amphibian animal. It can live both on land and water. Life cycle of a frog: lays egg in water, tadpole, froglet, other to frog. Thank you.
Well done, Tarnika. High five. Okay, get a gift for her, Tarnika's mom. Thank you so much, Tarnika. Very good. Okay, next is Tilakar. Mute yourself. Come on, unmute yourself and say, Tilakar.
Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to position on, and then, thank you, ma'am.
Oh my God, what did you say? Position words? Uh, What are the position words? Do the action and show. Just by sitting, you will say position words. In means you can have a container, you can have an object, and you can say like that, no? What is in? Show me. How will you show in? In means how will you show in? I don't know what is in. Mm. Next.
Untable.
Under table.
In. சொல்லு in சொல்லு
In.
In. Good.
on
On.
On. Next.
Under.
Under. Very good. Next.
Above.
மேல மேல கை வச்சு
Next.
above சவுண்டா சொல்லு
Above.
Above. Okay. That's it. Very good. Very good, Tilaka. That's it.
Thank you.
Well done, Tilakar. Wow. Very good, Tilaka. Next is Vishank. Vishank, ready?
Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow you'll say. Okay.
Yeah.
No issues. Okay. Children, rhymes we already sang many times.
The
What
word
is-
because the word.
What, ma?
Ma'am, talk time.
Yeah, Ritvik, you didn't finish, right? Okay, come on, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, ma. I forgot, Rakana. Come on.
The word, ma'am.
Wait, ma. First, you have to say, good morning. My name is Ritvik. I am going to talk about.
Good morning, ma'am. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old.
I am going to talk about.
I am going to talk about marine animals.
Mm.
The world, the biggest animal in the world.
Mm.
The shark is the dangerous animal in the sea. Octopus. Octopus is the shark.
Very good, Ritvik. Well done. High five, Ritvik. High five. High five. Well done, ma. Very good, children. All of you spoke very well. It is not necessary that you have to sit still and you have to talk. You can use any object and you can talk. You can make creative craft like that. And then also you can talk. Okay, like that you can get into practice, children. Okay, next we are going to learn about life cycle of a frog. Okay. Who is going to say the life cycle of a frog today? Except Arnika. Vidyut is going to say today. Vidyut. Vidyut. Life cycle of a frog. Come on, Vidyut.
ఫ్రాగ్ ఎందుకు చేయి ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్ పరి ఫస్ట్ ఇది పారే ఫ్రాగ్ ఎందుకు చేయి ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్స్
Look here, Vidyut. Look here. Egg. Next.
ఎగ్
Look at the screen, ma.
1 minute మ్యామ్
Puppet. Okay.
నౌ యా సారీ దది tadpole పరి
Tadpole.
Next. Froglet.
Froglet.
പിന്നെ അത് ഫുൾ ഫ്രാഗ്
Adult frog.
పరి
Big.
బిగ్
Okay. Full frog.
Adult.
Full frog. Full frog or adult frog. Okay. Satvika, can you say? Satvika, will you say? Come on, ma. Come, ma, Satvika. Egg. Next. Next.
Coochie.
Oh, froglet. Froglet. Next.
Adult frog.
Adult frog. Very good, Kavyani. Good. Adult frog. Oh, see how she is laughing. Okay, adult frog. Okay, Zadi. Come on, very good, Kavyani. You also said correctly. I heard. Good. Okay, next is Zadi.
It's
Hmm.
it is froglet.
Froglet. This is froglet. This is tadpole.
Tadpole. Froglet. Frog.
Adult frog. Okay. Okay, children. We'll straight away move on to our worksheets. Okay. I want you to take worksheet number D67 MT. D67 MT. This worksheets you will have. This, okay? In that, color the greater number in each row. That is the exercise given in this worksheet. Okay? So all of you take the worksheet and be ready. Write the date and be ready, children. Today's date is 2020. Twenty 10 2020.
Ma'am, can I have the page number, please?
D67 MT. Exercises, you have to color the greater number. So have any colors with you, children. Write the date and be ready. Okay, first is number 3232 and 3737. Which is the greater number here? Dev Krish. Come on, tell me which is the greater number here. How will you find out the greater number? Do you remember, children? Okay, first sum I'm going to do it for you. Dev Krish, do you remember or I'll say?
பண்ணுங்க மேம் சொல்லட்டுமா?
You want me to say?
Ma'am, he is doing, ma'am. He said
Okay,
I'll
you're
do.
doing. Okay, come on. Explain. How will you do?
Hmm.
First, see the first number.
Hmm.
Yes? Both are same or different number? Same or different number?
Same or different சொல்லுங்க இது ரெண்டும்
Same means ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்ல வேற வேற மாதிரி இருக்கா number?
It's the same number or
So you
different
have to strike out. Same number means you are going to strike out. Okay. Now come to the second number. It's 2 here and 7 here. Now which is the greater number? 2 or 7?
Which is greater, 2 or 7? The screen பாருங்க.
2 or 7, which is greater? 2 or 7? 2 ah? You want 2 chocolates or you want 7 chocolates?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is
Say
that?
loudly.
Ritvik, Ritvik said it is 7. Okay, good. So you are going to circle the whole number. Now I am circling, but you can color, children. 3, 7, 37, you can color. Color the number 3, 7, 37. Okay? Like tracing, you just write inside the space. Okay? That's enough. Need not color fully. Okay? Now next sum, who is going to do? 4, 4, 44. 3, 8, 38. Who is going to do? Come on, children. Everyone forgot, huh? Tarnika is going to do. Okay, come on, Tarnika. How will you find out? How will you find out which is the greater number? I know 4, 4 is the greater number. How will you find out? Tell me the step.
4, 3, 8, 38.
Hmm.
First it is 4, first 3.
Which is greater? 4 or
4.
Why? How are you finding out with the first number? Why we are finding out with the first number? Because both the number are different. It is not the same number. Okay, 4 is greater than 3. So the greater number is 4, 4, 44. Very good, Tarnika. Good. Now the third sum is 30, 41. 3, 0, 30. 4, 1, 41. Who is going to do this?
Ma'am.
Who, ma? Tell me your name, ma. Danvin, yeah, come on. Children, I'm not able to see when you call out. When you say your name only, I can pin you and see. Okay, so tell me your name first. Okay, now come on, tell me Dhanvin, how will you find out which is the greater number here?
First number
3.
the
Ah.
first number.
4.
So 3 is
Now which is the greater number?
bigger, 4 is bigger.
4.
So fullness.
Okay, very good. You are going to color 4 1. What is 4 1?
41.
Well done, Dhanvin. 4 1 41. Very good. Okay, okay. Next sum is 36 and 31. Pranita is going to say. Come on, say it correctly, Pranita. Come on. How will you find out?
I'm 36.
36. Okay, I'll explain how. Okay, now mute yourself. First number is 3. Here also 3. 3, 3. Both are same number. You are going to strike out. Now going to the second number. It is 6 here. Here it is 1. Which is greater, Kavyarni? 6 or 1? Which is greater, Kavyarni? 6 or 1? Which is greater? 6 or 1? Which is greater? 6 or 1? If anybody is asking you, you want only 1 chocolate or else you want 6 chocolate and keta enna solluva? What will you say, Kavyani? 6. Yes. So 3 6 36 is the greater number. You are going to color that number. Yes, fine. Yeah, ma'am is going to come back, children. Finished? Very good, Tarnika. I saw yours. Good. Everyone finished? Nitila, you can start writing numbers, ma. You need not wait for us. You can start writing the numbers from 11 to 20.
Okay, okay.
Vanilla ma'am.
Yes, ma. Finished? Very good, Nitek. Good. Well done, Nitek. Okay, next worksheet. Shall we do the next worksheet, children? Next worksheet is D69 ERP. D69 ERP. D69 ERP. Is everyone able to see my screen? Is Nitik, are you able to see my screen, Nitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on, take this is going to be your worksheet. In this, pick and write the words common to these pictures from the box given below. So in here you have some words here. Okay? Here you have some words: hungry, drink, food, dance, climb, eat, animal. So what is common in all these pictures? You have to find out and you have to take that word and you have to write. When you tell me the word, I will say which is that and you can take and write. Can anyone find out which is common here? Let them think and say, parents, please don't help them. Come on, children. Anyone, can you see what is common here? Anything is common here? Eat. Very good, Tarnika. Well done, Tarnika. Eat. Now, come on. The first word is eat. I am going to circle it. Take the word and write in the 4-line given below. Circle the word eat. Okay, you have the 4-line here, right? Here you have to write eat. A T, because all the animal in this 4 animals are there, right? So everyone are eating. So the word is eat. E-A-T, eat. Okay, next what is common here? Next what is common here? Yes? Very good, Dhanvin. Well done, Dhanvin. Next is animal. All are animals only. Okay, very good. There is no bird or something. Everything is animal here. Giraffe is an animal. Dog is an animal. Goat is an animal. And monkey is also an animal. Okay. Now in the second box, you are going to write animal.
Animal.
A
E
N I M
Nima.
A L. Animal. Okay.
Kai padi.
One by one, you see the letter and you write ANIMAL. Animal. Next, what is common? See the picture. What is common here?
Hungry.
What? Yes, they are eating. Why they are eating? Okay, why they are eating, children? Because when will you eat? When you will ask your mama, give me something to eat. When will you ask like that? Only when you are hungry, right? Only when you are hungry, you will ask for food. So, hungry. It starts the letter H. Hungry.
Next, animal spelling.
So you are going to write hungry here. H U N G R Y. Hungry. Okay. Next, what is common here? Left out word is 4 words are here. Drink, food, dance, climb. Food, very good. Next is food. Everyone are eating food. Okay, giraffe is eating its food. See, the monkey is eating banana. Dog is eating its food and the goat is eating grass. So, food, F starts with the letter F. So, food. Write it here. Food, F. O D. Food. Yes, children. Next, it is going to be your D70 CT worksheet. Once you finish, you can take it here. You are going to only match. So, it's going to be even more easier for you. You finish it slowly. Okay. Yes, come on, let me know, children, if you finish. Everyone are writing?
No, ma'am.
What, Zeddy? 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 What happened, Zeddy? Come on, write, Zeddy. Come on, write. Everyone are writing, right? Look at your friends, how they are writing. Come on, write. Circle the word and write. Zeddy? If you are not writing, I am not going to talk with you. No rhymes, no shark rhymes for you. I'll play the shark rhymes if you write. Come on, write fast. Baby shark rhymes will play, okay? Come on, start writing. Very good girl, no, Zeddy? Anyone who finished?
It's unfinished, ma'am.
Very good, Siddharth. Dikshan,
Dikshan, ma'am.
Dikshan, very good, Dikshan. Take this page, Dikshan. It's D70 CT. Very good, Tarnika. Good, ma. Dikshan, take the worksheet D70 CT. Here you are going to draw a line from the animal to the place where they live. Okay. See, there you can see a stingray. This is stingray. Okay. Stingray lives in land, water or pond. Land here, this is ocean. Okay. Where does stingray live, Tarnika? Ocean, pond, or land?
Ocean.
Yes, ocean. So you're just going to draw a line. Okay, just draw a line to the ocean. Okay, and next, Nightek. Where does crocodile live? Crocodile is a reptile. Okay, where does crocodile live?
Okay.
Say, where do a crocodile live?
Namaskar.
Crocodile lives both in land and water. Okay?
Water.
Water also and in land also. We can see crocodiles in land and in water also. Okay, so you are going to match land and water. Okay? Land and water. You are not going to match the ocean, children. Land and pond is there, right? That you are going to match. Next. Next is, you have matched that, Arnika. Very good. Next, where does a dog live? Ritvik, where dogs live? Ritvik, dogs, where do they live? They live in land. Very good. Dogs on the land. Okay. Next is frog. Frog, where do they live? Who is going to say? Frog. Tilakar. Frogs, where do they live?
Land and water.
Very good, Kavyani. Tilakar, frogs live both in land and water. Very good, Kavyani. Good girl. Okay, land and water. Very good, Tilakar. And finally, sorry, we have two animals left out. Dolphin. Where do dolphins live, Nukshita?
Ocean.
Very good, Nukshita. Dolphin lives in the ocean. Okay. Next is lion. Pranita, where does a lion live? Lion.
Jungle.
Jungle, land, water or pond? Land, ocean or pond?
Land.
Lion, land. Okay. Now finish like this. Yes, finish. Finished? Huh? Next, it's going to be your language worksheet, children. D70LT. D70LT. X. D70LT. Vishank, what are you doing, Vishank? Zadi, are you writing? Vishank, are you writing?
Matching.
I'm matching, ma'am.
Huh? What?
Matching.
I'm matching, ma'am.
Okay, match. You want me to show that worksheet? No, no? Yes, very good, Zedi. Come on. Take your next worksheet. Children, your language worksheet, those who have this sheet, you can write in this, or else you can take this one and you can write X for X-ray, X for ox, X for Xmas tree. Okay? Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. Okay? Take this worksheet and do it. Once you finish it, come on, let me know. We'll go to the sentence reading activity. Okay?
Crocodile வந்து
Ma'am, frog
Land and water. Frog, land and water. Yeah, I'll show you the worksheet. Frog both in land and water. Crocodile also land and water.
Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Yes, Zeddy, come on, unmute and show me what you're writing. I want to see what you're doing, Zeddy. I don't know whether you're writing. You can't see properly. Zeddy, spell and write, Zeddy. Spell and write. X you're writing, huh? Matched? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now X, come on, spell and write, Zeddy. Whenever you're writing your language worksheet or numbers worksheet, have to spell and do it, children. That's very important. Okay? So please you spell and do it. Hey, very good, Vishank. Natik, spell and write, Natik.
X. 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 X.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Vanilla, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Ritvik and Kavyani. Okay, you have to finish it fast, ma. Because I want you to read these sentences. If you have finished half the worksheet also, it's okay. Close it and I want you to read the sentence. Ritvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, Ritvik. Read the sentence, Ritvik.
M.
Emma. See properly and read.
Etam.
Huh? First is I.
I.
I. What is this?
A.
Am.
Am.
I am. What is this?
A.
B-O-Y.
O. Y.
What is it?
Boy.
Boy. Very good. Okay, next.
I. A. M.
I-A-M. What is I-A-M? I am. Stop playing, Ritvik. Come on, look at the screen. Keep it down. Everything, keep it down. Put it down. Come on, ma. Keep it down. Now you say am. 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 Next.
D. I. I. I
Aya.
am a girl.
No. G-I-R-L. Okay. What is it? G-I-R-L?
I am a girl.
Very good, Ritvik. Next.
I. A. M.
What is AM? What is AM?
I'm
Am. I am.
A. Man, please.
Say, ma.
Man, please. D.
I am a dog. Very good, Zeddy. Very good. I am a dog. Okay, good. Here.
My
Huh?
My pencil is inside.
Come on, Ritvik. I am.
am.
What is am? Am. Uh, what is it? CAT. What is CAT?
Cat.
Cat. Very good. I am a cat. Very good. Next.
I
Hmm.
am
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
bat.
Very good,
I am
ma.
a bat.
Very good. Next.
Next,
Hmm.
E
HE. What is HE?
H E. I am a boy.
No, 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 no. HE. What is HE? HE.
E
He. Ah.
E.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
S
Hmm. What is IS?
I
Hmm.
I
IS. No, no, ma. What is IS?
I S
Ah. He is. Next is
A
I. Ah. Hmm.
Y
Hmm. BOY.
D Y.
Hmm.
I am a boy.
No, no. He is a boy.
He
Okay.
is a boy.
Very good. Okay. Now this one. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
E
Hmm.
it
IT. It. Ah.
I S
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
a
Hmm.
ball.
Very good, Ritvik. Wonderful. High five, ma, Ritvik. High five. Yeah, well done, ma. Well done. Kavyani, are you ready? Kavyani, are you ready? Come on, read out.
Without I
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
IT.
I T
IT atta. Ah, 8. Next word. IS
I S
is. Next word. Yeah.
B S
Hmm.
L ball.
Very good. Very good, Kavyani. Next. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
E
Ah, 8.
I S is
Hmm.
S
Hmm.
P
Hmm.
S R
Hmm. Very good, ma. Next.
E
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
T
Hmm. Atta. It. Ah.
I S is
Hmm.
S
Hmm.
C U
Hmm.
P
Hmm.
cup.
Very good. Very good. Next.
I
Hmm.
E
Hmm. Hmm.
it
Hmm.
I S is
Hmm.
S S
Hmm. An
An.
inna. An.
S
Hmm.
S
Hmm.
N
Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Okay. Very good, Kavyani. Wonderful, Kavyani. Thank you so much, ma. Next is Pranita.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Well,
you.
well done, ma. Pranita, read the sentence.
I
Hmm.
E
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
I S
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
I N
I-N.
M
A-N.
A N
A-N. Hmm. Now come on, read it as a sentence. It is an ant. Okay. Now read this. Now read the sentence. It.
This is the cup.
Very good, Pranita. Next.
I eat it.
Car. Sentence.
This is the car.
Very good, Pranita. Thank you so much. Next is diction. Diction. Diction.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, sir.
Now come on, read out.
Padi.
I eat.
இங்க பாரு. இங்க பாரு அப்புறம் என்ன?
I see. I eat.
Why, ma? Unmute and tell me, Dikshan. Unmute yourself and tell me, Dikshan. Now come on, read out. IT is it. IS? IS? What is IS? Dikshan? Why, ma? You forgot? IS is. Is. CAR?
Car.
Now read in a sentence. It.
This is car.
Very good, Dikshan. Sorry. Now.
இங்க பாரு.
Eat. ISIS. LL.
Lal. BALL. What is BALL?
Ball.
Ball. Now read in sentence.
It is a ball.
Very good. Next one. This is going to be difficult. SHE. She or she? Very good. She.
Goal.
Very good, Dikshan. Here.
ISIS. BOY. Boy.
Boy. Read in sentence. He. Very good. He is a boy. Well done, children. Well done. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. And then talking about Vijayadashmi, those who all wants to dance, everyone can dance. If anyone wants to say slokas, you can say. If you want to dance, you can dance. Or if you want to show any creative craft, you can do. Okay, children, it is for everyone. Everyone should participate in any of the thing. You can sing a song, you can say a sloka, you can dance. Okay, I want everyone to participate. Okay, children? Yes or no, you all will participate? Yes, unmute and tell me you all will participate?
Mommy, please.
Yes, definitely. I want all my kids to participate. Yes, okay. Okay, children, I will be expecting for that and I am waiting for Friday. Yes, I want to see all of your performances. Okay, children, thanks for cooperation. Bye, children.